world and hello Philippines! Hello Earthlings! Finally, nakagawa din ako ng video for this channel. I was really very busy at meron na naman akong isang channel na ginagawa. Anyway, so tonight, I'm going to show you yung aking na-receive na mga product na galing kay Madam Malu. Ito na po, nagawan ko na ng video. Thank you very much. So guys, this is not unboxing kasi naka-plastic lang naman siya. Ayan. So, I got brushes from her. Ito. Naked Urban Decay. Ay, social. Oh, ang ganda. Actually, natanong niya ako, yung ni-request ko lang is angled brush, but ito naman ang binigay niya. Nakilang brush na ako. 2, 4, 6 brushes. I have lots of brushes, by the way, in my previous orders from the online shop. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ibibigay yun. Siguro ipasalubong ko na lang once na uuwi ako sa Pilipinas. And also, I got this one. It's Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So, I would definitely use this one for my eyebrow because I don't normally, apply mascara on my dito. So, I also have this one. It's a rose shade baby rose. Actually, baliktad dito kasi ito na yung bagong phone kong ginagamit and it's baliktad siya yung letra. But it says rose shade. Ito naman, white out and high tide na shade. Ito yung kulay ko at saka magnetic siya. Maganda din yung brand. Made in, I cannot see, China. Thank you very much, madam. And also there is this Office Anti-USA. I'm not sure if I read it right, but it's from USA. Bongga. It's a traceless defects concealer. O, diba? Hindi lang siya concealer, but liner na rin. So, I might use this one for my eyebrows also, yung para pakak na pakak yung ating kilay after applying our eyebrows. So earlier, I tried these eyebrows already and this is the result. Only this one. This one is my old eyebrows, which I don't like because it's too dark. For me, as you can see, there is a little bit different, but this one is lighter and it's not heavy. If you can see the difference anyway, it's not that dark. I got 2 sets of these skincare product from her. So, Dr. Rashel Black Charcoal Peeling na collagen, charcoals and collagen face. Oh my god, hulog. Anyway, take 2. This is my second product that I got from her. Also, I'm using this as my skincare routine. Since I got that breakouts, this is the one that I use until now. So, if you remember, I have my previous videos, I think around March or February. I uploaded that video. I only have the scars everywhere. I've been using this Dr. Rashel Charcoal. Maganon pa face wash. At ito naman yung sa ibang skin product. So, it's for face peeling and this one is for face wash. Oh, there's another one. It's the charcoal facial mask also. It looks like a cement since this is the second set. So I have the first one almost finished. So this is how it looks like. It's very perfect for me, for my type of skin. And I really love it. I'm gonna do my skincare routine again, but I'm not going to do a video for that. Because besides that I'm very tired, I want to do it like long I mean, like, you know, I need to meditate as well while applying my skincare routine. This is what I use. Remember guys, maybe hiyang ito sa inyo. You can use this one. I'm sometimes confused with these two, but I remember now every time I check the model face. Like, guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell button below to get you notified once I have new uploaded video. By the way, if you have any requests or any comments, just feel free to write it down on the comment box. Thank you once again, and God bless us all. Bye bye.